Hey, my name's Eli, and welcome back. Today the first day of spring break. Now I'm getting ready to race in the Meridian. Today we're racing the Secca series, Mississippi today. Like and subscribe. That's me and my dad on the starting line. They waved the flag. It was a good start for me because I got hooked on it. The track was mostly through. It was super good. It feeling good in there and going fast felt super great. I was in first place for every single bit of the race. I was going so fast I had a later in the race, and I'm starting to catch up to some of the lap riders. Now the last lap, and I just got went home.
Attaboy!
My dad always picks me up after I win a race.
In first place, Eli Zettler.
Congratulations to all the other riders in first place. This was my first time winning the overall. I want to thank my sponsors: Birmingham Christmas Lights, KTM, Black Ice Air Fresheners, my mom and dad, the flat off my dad's back. Like and subscribe and stay funky flashy.